The video kicks off by presenting the Tesla Model S with a full suite of Novitec modifications. Immediately striking at first glance are the sporty and elegant carbon fiber body enhancements that drastically elevate the clean, minimalistic lines of the stock Model S. These upgrades don't just serve aesthetics, they hint at a transformation that promises both visual flair and enhanced performance. Exterior enhancements. Carbon fiber body kit. Novitec has fully embraced carbon fiber, dressing the front bumper, side skirts, rear diffuser, and spoiler for a lean, aggressive stance. The reviewer highlights how the weave of the carbon looks bespoke, integrated seamlessly with the car's design. Wheel and stance upgrades. The Model S rides on eye-catching 21-inch Novitec forged wheels featuring a multi-spoke design. The setup is complemented by a subtle ride height lowering, giving the car a planted, athletic posture. Performance and handling. Improved aerodynamics. The reviewer emphasizes that each carbon piece isn't just for looks, they're sculpted to improve downforce and airflow efficiency. While there's no official dyno data shown, the video suggests these modifications yield sharper handling and high-speed stability. Suspension upgrades. Although not deeply detailed, the lowered suspension, likely Novitec-tuned springs or coilovers, provides a firmer ride and more precise handling without sacrificing comfort, according to the reviewer's road impressions. Functional features. Soft close doors and power lift closing. The video mentions retrofit features like soft close doors and a powered front trunk mechanism. These updates add a layer of luxury and convenience reminiscent of high-end European cars. These practical upgrades improve the everyday usability of the car. Less manual effort, more refinement. Interior enhancements. Briefly touched. Though the video focuses mainly on the exterior, the interior, by association with the brand, is expected to receive premium touches. Carbon trim, custom upholstery, and unique floor mats. The reviewer notes that Novitec tends to complement its exterior kits with interior options, though specific highlights aren't delved into. Drive experience and road test. On the road behavior. Behind the wheel, the Model S Novitec is described as more dynamic and engaging than the standard Tesla. The lowered ride and enhanced aerodynamics translate to reduced body roll, quicker steering responses, and a sportier feel during spirited driving events. High-speed stability. With the aerodynamic kit, the Model S stays composed at high speeds, resisting lift and remaining planted, giving the driver added confidence on highways or open roads. Visual appeal and customization. The video dedicates considerable screen time to showcasing the fine details, the glossy carbon weave, precisely fitted panels, and finish quality. The reviewer emphasizes the modern, aggressive reinterpretation of the Model S aesthetica. The visual impact of the 21-inch wheels paired with the lowered stance. How the custom body kit elevates the Tesla from understated to standout. Potential trade-offs. Every aftermarket modification has its costs, and a few are noted. Price: a full Novitec conversion, including carbon parts, suspension, wheels, and convenience upgrades, likely approaches or exceeds the original vehicle's value. Though not explicitly stated, it's implied. Comfort versus sportiness. Lowered suspension and firmer settings that improve handling may slightly reduce ride comfort on uneven roads. Maintenance. Carbon fiber body components require careful handling to avoid scratches or chips. Who it's for. The reviewer suggests the Novitec edition appeals to Model S owners who desire a distinctive visual identity over the mainstream Tesla aesthetic. Enhanced driving dynamics, better handling, lower ride, more aggressive posture. Exclusive luxury touches like automatic frunk/lift closing and soft close doors. It's positioned as a tailor-made upgrade for owners seeking sport luxury refinement without going full track spec. Conclusion and takeaways. The video's final takeaway. Novitec has successfully transformed the Tesla Model S into a sportier, sharper, and more luxurious beast. The blend of carbon fiber flair, improved handling, and added conveniences delivers a holistic upgrade package. Essentially, Novitec's modifications preserve the Model S's electric soul while injecting a dose of performance pedigree and bespoke styling, pushing it beyond the standard EV crowd into exotic territory. Final verdict. Pros: striking carbon aesthetics, sharper handling, exclusive convenience features, meaningful luxury upgrade. Cons: significant cost, firmer ride, requires careful maintenance of carbon elements. If you're a Tesla Model S owner craving a unique look, dynamic enhancement, and personalized luxury, the Novitec edition offers a compelling and truly head-turning option.